Morning guys, nasa airport na tayo, back to Manila. Maaga akong dumating dito kasi yung yung sinakyan kong bus sobrang aga. So let's go. Uy, ito yung malay rumbo akong kuan. Uy, sakyanan siya rin. Punta tayo sa check-in ko na yung bag ko. Tapos kakain ako. Pick your merch. Wow, ang cute naman. Ay, mahal dito sa airport guys. Pero nagbili lang ako ng dito. Souvenir, dalawa. May bigyan ako doon. Lala. So, akyat tayo. Dito tayo pasok. Okay. Wait lang guys ha. Medyo i-off ko muna guys. Ayan, dito na tayo sa loob. Papunta na tayo doon sa kabila. So, let's go guys. Sa kabila tayo.
Please proceed now at gate information counter.
Kabila guys. Sa kabila tayo, sa kabila. Mag-check-in luggage lang ako, tapos bababa. Open na yung nila Open na yung boarding gates man. So guys, check-in and go. So we go the other side. Oops. Ayan, sa kabila tayo check-in kasi AirAsia tayo. Counter. Yun guys, pabalik natin Manila. Departure tayo today. I mean, ang flight ko is 10 plus. So ngayon, mag-ano tayo. So mamaya na guys. Mamaya na.
Mr. De Guzman, Ayan Tristan, Mr. Progalibdad, Mars Philip.
Punta sa baggage drop. Okay, baggage drop. Pwede naman. So mamaya na. Senior Santo Niño. Tapos na ako nag-check-in baggage guys. So dito tayo. Sandali. Tapos may Senior Santo Niño dito. Tapos mayroon dito Mama Mary. The Brewery Van of mayroon din dito sa kabila. Santo Niño. Airport sa Cebu. Mag-pray muna ako sandali guys. So guys, baba ako. Hanap ako ng makain. Airport tayo guys, Mactan Airport. So, hanap tayo ng bababa ako. Hanap ako ng makain sa baba. Seniors. Mayroon din ditong lechon guys. Ayan. May palechon. Yun o. Pwede bang kakain dito? Sarap kumain ng lechon. Baba. Doon ako kanina oh. Kasi umidlip sandali. Ayun, may Jollibee doon. May Jollibee doon. Doon ako kakain. Mag-almusal. Guys, sabi. Maraming mga ano guys. The beauty of Cebu Airport, Mactan. Dito tayo banda. Spirits and tobacco, eh? Daming mga luggage, oh, mga small. Siguro nag-release sila na kamay mo. Tapos may mga chocolate. Nasa ubos na yung mga chocolate. Diretso naman good ko. Good late na. Ayan, oh. Mini sweets here. May Starbucks dito. May bread. May restaurant. Medyo maaga pa naman guys. Saan bang chola nila? So mamaya na guys, hanap ako ng food. Nag-almusal lang ako guys sa Jollibee. So punta tayong CR. Kanina pa akong naiihi. So dito lang sa parking area, yung mga ganyan, ang Jollibee. So dito, aakyat na tayo mamaya. So ngayon, mag-toilet muna ako. Andito yung toilet nila guys. So wait lang. So guys, dito tayo sa paano? Okay. Ayan, continue. May kape din dito, pero may mga bread, di ba kaon? Naanak ko yung mga grocery, mga tinda ni Dazzle. Balik yung akyat mo sa kana ko guys. Nandito, narada ilang mga chocolate diri oh. So mayroon ditong coffee. Alas 9 pa naman. Pwede naman ako magkape. Wait lang. Tingnan natin yung coffee nila. Wait lang guys. Di na lang ko magkape. Ayun, look at this lechon. May lechon pa. Lechon din dito si ate oh. Mahirap na puntang airport. Over na sa bagahe. Ayun. Dami na lang donut. Yun, may mga souvenir dito. Pero nakabili na ako. Dalawa lang. Dami na lang souvenir oh. Yun oh. Next kong bilhin. Ito ang cute ng Gucci oh. Pink. Soon. Bili tayo dyan. Sa Macau so guys, akyat na tayo guys. Alas 9 na rin naman. No, 9:40 ang boarding. departure sa taas. So, let's go upstairs. Tingin muna ako dito sa kabila. Sorry. Hatching ako, hindi pa nga ako nakapunta sa flower area. So, medyo mainit dito. Daming flowers, oh. May mga alak din doon, no? Always cook fresh. Oh, masarap din yan. Let's go upstairs. Flowers. Maayong pag-abot sa Cebu. Ayun, oh, daming alak dito guys. Sa Opus. So, masulod na ako. Mas 9 na rin naman. So, let's go upstairs. Wala na yung Masroyan. Unahan. Dari ko masaka. So, mauna yung Cebu guys. Mauna siya. Yun. Airport Cebu. Daming ukulele dito, oh. Ukuleles. Ukulele. Ang cute na mga, may pink din. So cute. Break the glass. So let's go. Saka na ako, masaka. Dere ko nagpalit og pasalubong. Busakan ako guys kasi busog na. Basig na kape sa sulod. Doon ako makape. Saan akong ticket guys. So yan guys, nagpalit ko t-shirt. Ayan, Island Souvenir. Dami nila dito, oh, mga bilihin. So pasok na tayo. Baka maano na tayo dun. May kapihan din dito, pero full na ko. Busog na gyud. So, pasok na tayo sa loob. Pasok sa loob. Ano to? Boarding gates. Boarding gates. So oras siguro na. Boarding gates. Off muna natin guys. Boarding. Boarding na guys. Ayan, gate 9.
attention of Ersun passenger on flight
Pwede siya,
E6337 bound
actually, pwede siya
to
sa live
Palawan.
safe.
The
Kasi up to
passenger
25 ang
Mr.
pwede.
Harding
Boarding.
John Rover.
Live safe.
Mr.
Live safe,
Harding
tsaka
John Rover. If you are around
work safe
856A,
part.
thank you.
Familiar ka ba doon sa mga contract?
Pasok ko tong bangkes.
Your attention, please.
Boarding na kami, guys. Mactan International.
Have a safe flight. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Mactan International Airport.
Today, the boarding process, may we ask all guests to please immediately take your assigned seat and give way to other guests walking through the aisle. Thank you. And kindly be seated according to the seat numbers on your boarding passes. We discourage unauthorized changing of seats due to aircraft's weight and balance restriction.
Malayo ako
Secure
sa
your
ano,
large carry-on baggage
sa
in the
bintana.
overhead compartment and small items under your seat.
Ayan,
Thank you.
puno. Ayan, guys, daming tao, guys. Puno.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Manila. The commander of this flight is Captain Victor Mariano, assisted by First Officer Samantha Regalado, and I am your senior cabin crew, Emmy. Together with me, our cabin crew, Paolo, Manu, and Kat. This flight will take us 1 hour. Put your seat upright, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, stow your tray table, and open your window shade. Please switch off all your electronic devices, including mobile phones, to flight mode. Smoking and vaping is strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched to flight mode and batteries removed. The charging and use of e-cigarette is strictly prohibited. Please keep your eye on your personal belongings at all times. Thank you. Dear guests, thanks for your support with the world's best low-cost airline for the 15th year running. It's a pleasure having you on board. Have a great journey ahead. Thank you.
At sa ikadong sila ta. No. So, ato ka park sa ikadong slot.
Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the
Second, select the
exit, as
parking.
this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located.
Ato kasi kasi
They are being
park.
pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest
Oh,
exit
para sa second
may be
slot,
behind you.
ikaduhang parkingan.
During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. This is a non-smoking flight. Please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Let's see.
This is not good.
Flight to Manila. Ayan. Ah. Hindi maklaro sa gawas guys. Kaya ako sa dito lapit. Wala sa door. Ayan. Larga na. Larga na.
dear guests, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Manila. We're now taxiing towards Terminal 2 for your proper disembarkation. We're pleased to inform you that we have landed 22 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival. The time now is 38 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment. And please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure serving you today, and we look forward to serve you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Victor Mariano, First Officer, Samantha Regalado, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us.
Landing na guys.
Once again, this is important safety announcement except in case of water landing. The removal and bringing of life vests outside the aircraft is a criminal offense and punishable by law. For those passengers traveling with infant and were giving infant life vests, please return it to the cabin crew upon deplaning. All guests are required to be seated until the fasten seatbelt sign is off and the aircraft is parked at the parking bay assignment and the door has been opened for you to the plane. Thank you for your cooperation. Sa mga minamahal naming panauhin para sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyaring nakaupo hanggang ababala ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw at ang pintuan po ay nabuksan na para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Landing guys. So, huling bagahe na kami. Landing. Baggage claim. Around the world. Kuha bagahe guys. Wala pa, waiting. Magkuha mo na ako ng lagayan. Hala. Guys, waiting sa bagahe. Tama ba? Ay, Philippine Airlines to. Yun. Anong lugar na to?
Ha?
Mac, anong lugar na to?
Terminal 3, airport.
Terminal 3. Hindi, nagbibideo ako. Terminal 3. Kuda, what are you doing? Hey! 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 Itchy! Itchy! Itchy!